Let's divide 420 by 2. Hey awesome math explorers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more cool math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 420, which is 4. We'll use this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 leaves us with 0, no remainder here. Awesome, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 2. Great job, we're on to the next step. We bring down the next digit from 420, which is 2. Now we have 2 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2, you got it. Subtracting 2 from 2 gives us 0. Another win. You're a math superstar. Time to bring down the last digit, which is 0. Last step, here we go. We bring down the final digit 0. Now we have 0 to divide. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0, easy peasy. And 0 minus 0 is 0, we've reached the end. You did it, fantastic work. We've divided all the digits. Our final answer is ready. So 420 divided by 2 equals 210. Great job, we just conquered dividing 420 by 2. Remember, long division is like a puzzle, and with practice you can solve any piece of it. That's all for today. Keep practicing and exploring. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.